Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Riches with your girl Delshad here. Let's talk about how Bitcoin's price has been on a roller coaster lately and how the crypto world is buzzing. You might have questions like, why? And I'm here to tell you why. The reason Bitcoin's price has been on a roller coaster lately is because President Donald Trump is pushing for a Bitcoin reserve for the United States. But what does that actually mean? Is this the beginning of a financial revolution or just another political play? Stick around because we're breaking it all down. Let's go. Let's start off with the basics. President Trump has proposed creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve for the US. This means the government would hold a significant amount of Bitcoin as part of its national assets, similar to gold reserves. The goal here is to strengthen the country's financial position, to have a hedge against inflation, and embrace crypto as a legitimate asset. The plan suggests acquiring up to 1 million Bitcoin over the next 5 years. That's nearly 5% of all the Bitcoin that will ever exist. Part of this reserve could come from Bitcoin already seized by the government. As expected, the market went wild when the news broke first. Bitcoin surged past $100,000 after the announcement. However, as of today, Bitcoin is trading at approximately $96,000 as it had a slight pullback from its peak. If the US starts buying Bitcoin in massive quantities, it could push prices even higher. Because Bitcoin's supply is limited, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. So if a major player like the US government starts accumulating, demand could surpass supply even faster. But let me tell you this isn't just about the economy. It's also about politics. Trump's proposal could be a strategic move to gain the support of crypto supporters early in his time as the president. His stance on Bitcoin has shifted significantly. He once called it a scam, but now he's embracing it. Meanwhile, the Biden administration was more cautious, pushing for stricter regulations. So this Bitcoin reserve idea could become a major talking point in the next few months. Regardless of the politics, this move could legitimize Bitcoin like never before. If a world superpower starts holding Bitcoin as a reserve asset, other nations could follow. Think about it. Countries like El Salvador already have Bitcoin reserves. But if the US jumps in, it could trigger a global domino effect. This could also accelerate institutional adoption. More hedge funds, corporations, and banks might feel confident investing in Bitcoin if the US government itself is doing it. But let's not ignore the risks. Bitcoin is still unpredictable. What happens if the price crashes while it's part of the US reserve? Plus, could this lead to more government control over Bitcoin? Is it possible for governments to manipulate the market if they hold a massive supply? Some experts also worry about regulations in regards to if the US would start enforcing stricter crypto policies after buying in. These are questions that we all need to watch closely. One thing's for certain, crypto is no longer a radical asset. It's becoming a major geopolitical and financial tool. If Trump's Bitcoin reserve plan moves forward, it could reshape global finance forever. But whether it's a bold move or a political gimmick, that's up for debate. So what do you guys think? Should the US build a Bitcoin reserve? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. And remember, always do your own research before investing in anything. And as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.